Tired of your digital life feeling like this chaotic mess? Let's tame it by exploring how to Host N8n, your workflow automation hero. First things first, what exactly is N8n? Think of it as a super-powered connector that lets you link all your favorite apps and automate those tedious tasks you do every day. We're going to show you how to get N8n up and running and start making your life easier. Now, on to hosting. Option 1. The cloud platforms like Oz, Google Cloud, and Azure offer scalability and reliability. This is great if you anticipate a lot of workflows or need high availability. Look for pre-built N8n images in their marketplaces for super easy setup. Prefer to stay grounded? You can host N8n on your own server. This gives you complete control over your environment. You'll need a Linux server, like Ubuntu, and a bit of technical know-how to configure everything. Don't be intimidated. There are plenty of tutorials online to guide you through it. No matter which option you choose, remember to configure your N8n instance properly. Set up your database, configure your email settings, and secure your instance with proper authentication to protect your data. Scaling is key as your workflows grow. Make sure your hosting environment can handle the load for cloud deployments. Consider auto-scaling features for self-hosted setups. Monitor your server resources and upgrade as needed. Let's wrap things up with best practices. Regularly back up your N8n data. Keep your N8n instance updated to the latest version. Monitor your workflows for errors, and make sure to document your automation for easy maintenance and troubleshooting. And that's it. You're now ready to host N8n and start automating.